Hey, so you want to get under that car, huh? Listen, before you slide under there, we need to talk about something really important. Safety.
I am not built to hold a car. I could slip.
Always use jack stands. I lift, they hold. I sit on the frame rail, never on flimsy panels. Wrong spot and the car crushes right through. Check your manual for approved lift points, every time.
We are the last line of defense. This car rolls, it goes through us first.
Chalk the opposite end from your lift. Front up, chalk the rears. Simple.
Gravel, slopes, grass, people jack up cars on all of it. That is a death wish. Flat, hard, and level like me, or the whole car comes down.
When you are under a car, all kinds of nasty stuff falls into your face. Rust flakes, old brake dust, dirt, even drops of mystery fluid. Brake fluid, transmission grease, coolant, nasty stuff that burns bare skin.
Mechanic gloves stop chemicals, sharp edges, and burns. Never go barehanded.
Touch the wrong wire and I will zap you so hard your hair stands up for a week. Disconnect the negative terminal first. 10mm wrench, black cable off, no shortcuts.
You cannot fix what you cannot see. Down here, it is pitch dark. One blind grab on a rusty bolt slices you open.
Never crawl under a running engine. Carbon monoxide knocks you out before you even know it. Engine off, keys out, period. Before you unbolt anything heavy down here, support the weight first. A 40-pound muffler drops on your face, that is a hospital trip. Support first, unbolt second, always.
Do not force a rusted bolt, you will snap it clean off. Spray it, let it soak 15 minutes. Patience saves knuckles and bolts, honey.
I tried a suspension bolt and look at me, destroyed!
Suspension bolts need a breaker bar or impact wrench. Right tool, zero injuries. After the engine runs, I stay scorching hot for over an hour. Exhaust, turbo, brakes, all of us burn. Let it cool completely before working underneath.
Place me under the plug before you loosen it. The oil shoots out, so offset me slightly toward the rear. Wear gloves, too old motor oil is toxic. Always recycle it, never dump it.
Brake fluid is flammable. Fuel lines leak. One spark and this whole garage lights up. Keep an ABC extinguisher within arm's reach, every time.
Working under a car alone is risky. If something goes wrong, who helps you?
Tell someone what you are doing and keep a phone within reach. Always.
Right. I save your back down here, but keep my wheels clean and the floor clear of loose tools. And slide out slowly, do not launch yourself into a jack stand. Inspect the whole undercarriage first. If the frame is rusted through, the jack stand punches right through it. 5 minutes of inspection saves you from a collapsed vehicle.
Every bolt you remove goes into a labeled tray immediately. I have seen people lose hours hunting one missing bolt. Organized by location. A loose socket on the floor sends you slipping into a jack stand.
Over-tighten and you snap it. Under-tighten and the wheel comes loose at highway speed. Every critical fastener has a torque spec. Look it up, no exceptions. Before lowering the car, check everything you touched. Bolts tight, lines connected, tools removed. One missed bolt can fail at highway speed. Take 5 minutes, mate. Double check.
Lower it slowly. Ease the valve, do not yank it. Let it settle gradually.
Remove the stands only after the tires hold the full weight. Every tip we showed you exists because somebody got hurt skipping it. Take the extra time and never rush. Stay safe under there. Your car isn't just metal, it's your buddy. Listen closely. Engines don't scream first, they whisper. Follow me and share this video so everybody knows.